Alright, man, must be my last video for the day. Man, I've made what, 3 or 4 of them already in this yard. Before you third gen F-body guys, another one dead and gone. Fairly straight car. Last in a row, 2007. There's a VIN on it. If this thing will focus. Match a set of these Fugale Ugate wheels. Oh. Takes me back to the 90s there. What's that? Conlon, Killeen, Texas. She's an RS. And we do have a matching set of the Fugly wheels. Look like they fell out the ugly tree. 92. This has this blue, but looks more green to me. Man, it won't open, damn it. Not on that side anyways. That back look okay? Yeah, not too bad. Oh man. We have a cracked dash, and I see another one over there too, so I think they were going for this one. Looks like it's in a little better shape than that one up there. But here's your RPO codes there for you. You see anything special? And then it pops out to you. Do I see a G80 in there? I don't think so, right? I don't. No, I see a GU2. Nope. All right. Boy, she baked in that sun, boys. Texas sun. Yeah. And she stinks. Oh boy, does she stink. I mean, were they using this as a chicken coop? I mean, I see freaking like, you know, like bird feed, like chicken feed or something, man. Freaking, ugh. Oh man, she smells yummy. So lovely. Yeah, I'm not even gonna get anywhere more up in there. Ugh. Man. Let's look under the hood real quick. Hopefully my phone hasn't died yet. Oh, come on, damn it. Okay. Got a big old honking V8. Most likely, what is it, a 5.0? 305. I'm gonna think that's what it is. Let's say here, it does not. No, it doesn't say it on this one. Anyways, that's what I'm guessing. I'm gonna guess 305. But all there, pretty much all there. Yep, this car just sat for the most part, and then they said, screw it, time to go to the yard. Time to go to the junkyard. Alright, man, that's gonna do it on this one. Get a nice shot here. Yeah, that good? That good for the thumbnail? Or is this one better? Or maybe this one. Okay. Alright, man. We are on to the next one.